school district, under the leadership of the board as well as Dr. Brawley, we delivered on our commitment and our pledge to this community that we're transforming by delivering results.
Just give you a little bit about Compton. Compton has come a long way in terms of what we've achieved for students and what we continue to achieve for students.
Today we had the pleasure of hosting 150 members of CUBE. This was such a fun group and they came to see all the innovation at Compton. We visited Davis Middle School and we visited the brand new Compton High School. The members of CUBE come from across the country, including cities like Chicago, New York, and Nashville. They serve students who live in communities similar to Compton. At Compton High School, they got to see the innovation. They got to see students in our EMR program. They got to go to the pool where they didn't only see swimming, but they saw underwater robotics that are going to change and revolutionize how we explore the ocean. They also got to experience our audio and video production areas in the new Dr. Dre auditorium. It is absolutely amazing. They also got to see the culinary arts where they got to experience some of the most exquisite food prepared by our own students, and they ended seeing our drone program. At Davis Middle School, they got to see the state-of-the-art Esports room. They also got to experience the culinary arts there with Lunch Bunch, where they had naan and vegetables prepared by students. Also, they were able to experience our new aquaponics, where they grow plants. They got to experience our Verizon Innovative Learning Lab.
The kids seem excited about their education and the opportunities that are available to them around the various pathways that are available. And I think that our district can also learn some things that I observed today. I was just really impressed.
So we would like to thank the CUBE members. Thank you again for visiting Compton.